Hey, Steve Urkel. Hey, Steve Urkel. What you doing?
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Brady. Baby has hand in mouth. Hand in mouth. Testing. Oh, look at that. Let's see. I don't think it's supposed to hold this way. Nope. No, hold it this way. You hold it this way. Does it work very good? This is a test for you, honey. Love you. Let's see. My day. Do 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 do. You like that? You like that? Okay. Brady, here, you want to film? Here you go. Here you go. Just trying to get it dirty. It's mommy's. She hasn't even seen it yet. No, she doesn't even know about it yet. Here you go. Here. Here. Film. Here you go. Show them what you're made of. Here. Here. Here you go. Oh, you gonna eat it? Huh? You gonna eat it? What are you putting it down there for? Oh, there it goes in the mouth. You gonna eat it? He's trying to eat it. Okay. Alright. Say bye. Say bye.
He wants the toy and Brady puts everything in his mouth. What are you doing? Are you taking a picture? Are you recording? What is? Brady puts everything in his mouth. That was really nice.
Alright.
I'm not photogenic.
So, huh?
I'm not photogenic. Whenever somebody has a camera, I tend to.
So we're
Drinking your beer because it tastes
filming some good times here at Jack's. Rocky, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Dave.
That's not awkward at all.
What?
Oh, is that a video?
Say hi, damn it.
Say fucking hi. Fucking hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Say cheese. It's a video.
Why would you say that then? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say happy Valentine's Day, Brady. Oh, I came home to 2 Valentines. You're my Valentine. And I guess that guy behind the camera over there is my Valentine.
I'm testing it out here. Let's see.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay! First vlog with our camera.
What's a vlog?
Logging with video, like a
No, what's
vlog.
a vlog?
Video logging.
Video logging? I'm not
Like
a
a
logger.
vlog.
But what if we're not loggers?
I don't know what it means then. Look what I got. Some flowers. A baby that can stand. A tucker.
You want to show them your
hubby.
camera?
Whoa. That's weird.
What?
Quit it. Mama. Brady. Brady, say mama. Say mama. Mom, I'm trying to play. You're interrupting me. Say mama. Okay.
Hey.
Look at all the
It's
chocolate.
already 6:30.
Mama.
Brady.
Ew.
Ew, Brady. Ew. What is in there?
His face.
What is in your Bumblebee?
This is what I have to deal with
Bumblebee.
for the rest of my life. I have
Bumblebee.
2 stinky boys.
Daddy, get your butt. Daddy, get your butt.
I have 2 stinky boys I have to live with. Mama, what are you doing? Are you gonna climb over it? It's crazy, baby. Well, okay. See, there's this little device over here, and if I turn it, then yeah. Tell me about it. You stomp his feet. You stomping your feet?
Come here. Come on, let go of their arm. Come here. Come here.
Can you tell me a little bit more about these? I'd like to
Yeah.
know more.
You'd like to know more about my pants?
Mm-hmm.
Well, this isn't like the traveling sisterhood of the pants story or whatever it's called.
Yeah, but they're significant.
Yeah, they came from my significant other.
Ew.
My big toenail.
Ew.
Why are you looking at my toes?
Because you're not telling me about the pants.
Um,
And these pants for Valentine's Day 2 or 3 years ago. And today is Valentine's Day. Oh. Someone crabby. Are you crabby?
what?
I don't think he likes that right now. You want attention, buddy? Buddy,
No, he
do you
wants
want
to go out.
attention?
He wants to go OUT.
Do you need to go OUT?
Tell him.
I didn't, I spelled it.
Yeah, but now he knows what it means. I did the same thing.
He doesn't know it.
Buddy. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay.
Don't.
We are, Christina is going on a juice cleanse for the next few days here. I just spent a lot of money. All organic.
Spinach and kale
Everything,
and carrots.
So, we got all this crap right now. Pretty good. Me, I'm eating some pizza. Pretty good.
What did we say about being supportive? When you say things like
I'm
that,
very
that's not
supportive of her.
supportive.
She's taking
As
care
you
of
say,
herself.
pizza. That's not very nice.
Well, I'm not very nice, but I'm very supportive.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
I just went to the grocery store and bought all this. I really, really love that she wants to kick. What? Yeah, that's dinosaur fingers.
Ginger.
These are dinosaur fingers. See? Yeah, dinosaur fingers. Is that like focusing or?
Get this.
Yeah, those are our.
Talk of the beets.
Yeah. Those are big beets, aren't they? Like,
They're a big beet.
like Dr. Dre beets, big beets. Me, I'm gonna have some mushrooms and a veggie burger. This stuff right here, pure organic pomegranate and some
carrots.
pure pineapple. Some really cool carrots. Buddy, hey buddy, say hi buddy. Has food in his dog bowl and has not ate it. Kind of worried he might be sick.
Kale. So luscious.
Yeah, it's the dinosaur food.
That's really what they call it. It's like the nickname, the dinosaur leaf, because it's been around since dinosaur days.
Why are you doing that? okay if we put like, you know, $30 worth of stuff in there.
Okay. So I've got all of my ingredients chopped up. This one for this juice, juicing, has apples. This is a purple carrot, beets, and a little bit of ginger. So this is the beet carrot apple juice. Okay. Beet. Go. All that juice coming out. So colorful. Look at all that. It's really dark. Got the beet around. Okay. Look at all this. Greens and carrots and lemons and oh my.
Going out to feed birds. Quit it. Look at the snow. What's up, buddy? Yeah, get him. These crazy people. Our little bird feeder up here on the house. Okay. All right. Oh, freaking snow. What's up, pooches?